Welcome back to Horseplay. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, but it is kind of windy, so I'm sorry if you get any wind noise here. A little bit cool, but I have something I've been wanting for a very long time, and it's something small, but I feel like it's something that changes the look of these cars quite a bit. I'm going to start by removing the gas door. So there's two here, and then you have to undo these bump stops, but these two right here are what gets the door off, so let me get started with that. And I'm going to take my gas cap off just to give me a little bit more room, but that's all that's holding it in there, and there you go, just like that. So you might ask yourself why I'm taking this off. For most of y'all, this is something petty or small. Some of y'all may even already have this mod, but it normally runs, like when I wanted it, it was like $100, and they dropped down as anywhere from $70 to $80 now. But American Muscle had it on sale for $50, and that's the SpeedForm fuel door. Now when you open up the SpeedForm fuel door, it's going to have these already on here. You're going to have to take the nuts and washers off, and you're going to have to take these off via the Allen heads on this side. And here's what the fuel door looks like, and it is clasped with two pretty strong magnets. You can actually hear when I close it. Here, grab it and suck it down. So let's get this bad boy on, and like I said, first you remove these two, and then you remove these, and these guides you have to put through the original holes, and you're going to have to put the nuts and the bolts on the back side, or the nuts and the washers on the back side to tighten it down. Now these have to come out before you can put that on. This is a Torx bit in the middle right here. I think it's a T20, I'm not for sure. Let me see real quick. This was a T25. I apologize, they're all T20s, so all that works around. So next we're going to get these backs off and then take the Allen bolts off for that. So now for this lip area, that's what these are for. Pardon the pain on my hand, but it's just going to clip over that, and that's what that'll screw down on. That way you can see that with all the black going on, but of course do not drop it down there like I just did. Let me get that out. Guys, the issue I am running into that is annoying the daylight out of me is these tabs that hook in. It has a recessed area. It's in the recessed area, and look how far that still sticks away from the body. This side, when I push it down, is flush with the body. This side is sticking up. Well guys, I got it on there, and you know, it's still sticking out in the back. I don't like that very much, but I'm gonna try something to bring it in. It's not that bad from back here. It's really not that bad from anywhere. Something that's annoying the crap out of me, just like this little fresh dent right here. I don't know if y'all picked that up or not, but I'm gonna try to bring that in a little. But I do like how it locks. I like how it looks, and these are kind of a pain to get to on the back side, but not that bad. Overall, it took me maybe 15 minutes for the whole install. Of that 15 minutes, I probably spent 20 or 30 just trying to see if I could figure out how to bring that in. If y'all don't have that issue, this will be in and out in a matter of minutes. Alright, I got it brought in a little bit more. Still not 100%, but I like it a lot better now. What I did is I put a rag over a rubber mallet, and then I just set it there, and I just kept tapping the rubber mallet around here to it kind of walk that lip down a little bit, I guess. But there it is. I'm happy with it. I do have a scratch right here because this wasn't fitting right. I had to drill out these two holes on mine, and I've never seen anybody have to do that, so I think it's just an issue with my car. I don't know, but this is a 97 GT, but these two didn't quite line up, and it wouldn't allow it to play where these would line up, and also the bolts themselves didn't fit. So I just got a drill bit and opened them up slightly, and I don't have any more issue out of it. And even with that, I mean, it only took maybe an extra 2 minutes to do that. So nothing to really complain about for me there. Next video we'll be addressing that right there. Guys, hope y'all enjoyed this little video here. Like I said, this is something I've wanted to do for a very long time. Just never really got around to it, but seeing it was on sale at American Muscle for $50, had to jump on it. Normally do dealings with LMR, but LMR don't even carry the SpeedForm. So, all in all, very good. I had a little scratch, touched it up with some paint. Can't even tell it's there. I'm very happy with it, and from a distance, I think it looks very killer. Up close, it don't look bad. My paint is crap, but that's what I'm working up to, is getting everything how I want it before it goes to paint. So, hope you all enjoy. Got another video coming in a day or two, and we out.
Perfect.
Turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars, I won't turn around. I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars, I won't turn around.